In the depths of the Cambodian jungle, where time stands still, lies a temple forgotten by all but nature. Here, history hides in every shadow, and darkness reveals the soul. Each step draws you closer to a realm where human stories and spirit merge. A story waiting to be written, untouched by the passage of time. As the first light of dawn embraces the horizon, a new chapter begins. A sanctuary of silence, living heritage with the jungle spirit. More than an experience, it is a journey that touches your soul. Discover the unseen, where the natural and spiritual worlds collide in 1,000 years of history.